In a lush jungle, a young monkey named Coco had a big dream. He wanted to build the best treehouse in the entire forest. He'd been saving up leaves for a long time, but he still didn't have enough to buy all the strong branches and sturdy materials he needed. He needed a large number of leaves, so Coco decided to visit the monkey bank to take out a loan. The monkey bank was where monkeys who had extra leaves would keep them safe, and monkeys who needed leaves could borrow them. This borrowing wasn't free. The bank would require Coco to pay an extra fee, which was called interest. Interest was the cost of borrowing the leaves. It was like paying a rental fee for the leaves over a certain period of time. To get the loan, Coco had to prove he was trustworthy. He had to show the monkey bank he could pay back the leaves. This meant Coco had to present his repayment plan. This plan showed exactly how many leaves he would pay back each month. The monkey bank also checked Coco's credit score. A good score meant he could get the loan faster with a lower interest rate. Finally, his loan was approved. Coco received the leaves and started buying all the materials he needed for his treehouse every month. Coco had to pay back a portion of the original amount, plus some interest. He made sure to pay on time. If Coco was late with a payment, the monkey bank would charge a late fee. This would increase his total debt. The most important thing for Coco was understanding the loan term. This was the total time he had to pay off the loan. If the term was 1 year, he had to pay it all back within a year. If it was 3 years, he had more time. Coco realized that borrowing was a powerful tool. It helped him achieve a big goal that he couldn't have accomplished otherwise. Thanks to the loan, Coco's sturdy, beautiful treehouse was finished. He felt proud and happy. Coco's story spread throughout the jungle. Other monkeys started learning how to borrow money wisely. They understood that borrowing isn't a bad thing. It's a way to leverage your finances to reach your goals. However, Coco also warned his friends to be cautious. Don't borrow more than you can afford to pay back. Doing so could lead to overwhelming debt. That's a financial burden you really want to avoid. Coco used his loan to acquire an asset. His treehouse? The treehouse had value and provided him with a home. He advised his friends to borrow money for investments, not for frivolous spending. In the end, Coco paid off his loan completely. He became a trusted and responsible monkey. His credit score went up, making it easier for him to borrow money again in the future if he needed to. So, are you ready to use the tool of borrowing to achieve your big goals?